Look at that. Best hot dog in the world. Better get out a rubber glove. This sucker's messy. To the ingredients. 1 packet of the hot dog buns of your choice. And then put all your buns in your baking dish. Take some butter, melt it, add a little garlic salt and some parsley, and we're going to brush our buns. Place the buns in the oven 5 minutes at 350 par baking so we don't have soggy buns. 8 hot dogs, and you're just going to score them. Little lines all the way through. That way when we bake them, they soak up all the goodness. When your buns are toasted, add some mayonnaise and some mustard to each side. Once you get your mayonnaise and your mustard where you want it, you're going to stuff your buns with your hot dogs. Right down the middle. Sharp cheddar cheese. Spoonful of dill relish to the top of each one. Just like that. 1 can of chili, no beans, woof, to the top of all your hot dogs. Finely diced red onion, finely diced jalapeno to the top of the onion, unless you're a sissy, then you could just leave them out. More cheese to the top, and sliced green onions to the top of the cheese. Spray some foil with some non-stick cooking spray. Cover your dish tightly, and you're going to bake this at 350 for 20 to 25 minutes. Put it in the oven. Go on and make your plate, baby. It's a hot dog bake. The devil's outside whipping his wife, so we have to make it inside because we can't use the grill. And for those of you that don't know what that is, it's just a sun shower. It's raining and the sun is shining. So good.